Hello students of class 7 of Vidya Urban School. Hope you are all doing well. So today we will discuss the sum from time and distance, that is of the exercise 10. Now in the class I have already discussed uh, up to 39. So in this video we will start from 40. Now the concept that you need to know while doing the sum from 41, I have 41 and beyond that I have discussed in the previous video. So now we will concentrate on the sums. Okay, so I am reading the sum aloud. The speed of the boat, that is sum number 41. Okay, the speed of the boat in still water is 8 km per hour and the speed of the river current is 2 km per hour. What will what time will the boat take to cover a distance of 50 km along the current? Okay, so we will do step by step. Okay, so the speed of boat in still water is how much? It's 8 km per hour. Okay, and the speed of the river current is how much? 2 km per hour. Okay, now I have already told that the speed of the here we have been asked to find out what time will be required if the boat cover a distance of 15 km along the current. So first we have to find the speed of the boat along the current, that is downstream. Okay, so what is the formula? I have already discussed. For along the current we have to add the river current. Okay, so the speed of boat in still water plus the speed of river current, right? So what is the speed of still water? Speed of boat in still water, it's 8, and what is river current speed? It is 2 km per hour. So the speed of the boat along the current will be the addition of speed of still water and speed of river current. Why? Because in this sum, because it is written here along the current, in the direction in which the river is flowing, in that direction only the boat is also flowing. So the boat is not facing any opposition from the river current. As the boat is not facing any opposition from the river current, we are adding the river current here. Okay, up to this clear? So we have got the speed of the boat along the current. Okay, now we have to find the time. So the distance covered is how much? So time required to cover a distance of 50 km along the current is how much? What is the formula for time? It is distance by speed. So what is distance? It is 50, and we have got the speed of the boat along the current is 10. So 50 by 10, and this will be in hour. So this 10, this 0 will cancel out, and the answer will be 5 hours. Okay, very easy. Just you have to do step by step. Okay, so the time required to cover a distance of 50 km along the current is how much? Along the current is 5 hours. Okay, so this was the concept for this sum. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So the next sum is also same, but it is against the current. Okay, So the next time we will discuss in the next video, keeping up to this for this video. Okay, just you have to remember the words like along the current or against the current, and accordingly you have to adjust the river current. For along the current you have to add the river current, and for against the current you have to subtract the river current. This concept if you can remember, then these sums are very easy. Okay, as easy as water. Okay, so keeping up to this, thank you.